Hey guys, my campsite today is actually my own $2,000 a month, 175 square feet, New York City, Midtown Manhattan apartment. You want a grand tour? Ta-da! Shut off all the power. Perfect lighting. Okay, back in business. This apartment currently does not have light, heating, AC, gas. It has running water, and New York City tap water is actually pretty good, but most campsites I visit has more amenities than what I have here right now. My previous bank is about 10 to 15 minute walk from this location, which made me love this place so much. But I unexpectedly lost that job. So before I hand back this apartment, I wanted to do something special here. I wanted to make a video. I want to do some camping in this apartment. Okay, camping. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna do what I do every time I camp, which is sleep on the ground and survive. Quite simple. That is the whole scope of what camping is to me. Using all my camping lights, by the way. I still have some leftover camping gear laying around, so I'm gonna jimmy up like a little bed or some kind of sleeping structure. For those of you that were wondering how I got used to living in such a small van, I mean, this apartment's pretty good training. But I think what happened is that it was only like 30 bucks, and what I just thought, you know, maybe I'll use it in an emergency, and look how correct I was now. And then you use the bag to blow it up. Okay, it's actually pretty quick. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this works. This totally works. I can sleep here. I should not get too comfortable. I need to go get some food. See, so I'm not messing with you. It's literally about 170 square foot. This door right here, it leads to the hallway. That's not another room. Oh boy. Apple, come here. You fucking idiots. Okay, I think our next mission is to go get some food. Oh man, is that like a little too sexy? Before we head out, you want to see what a $2,000 a month apartment's view looks like? Isn't that just something? Huh? Since we're in New York, I'm thinking we should do some very New York-y things, right? So, pizza? Let's go. Cheese, 1 pepperoni, 1 buffalo chicken. Thanks so much. Thanks. Yo. Whoa. Hey, thanks so much. Chopped cheese sandwich. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, man. $8. Yes, please. Oh, that's a nice bag. Home sweet home. I don't have any tables or chairs, actually. I moved them out of my apartment, so I guess we're just gonna have to make do. See, I told you, this is just like real camping. I didn't want to get a bacon, egg, and cheese because it's like 6 p.m. right now. But I got another New York classic, a chopped cheese sandwich. Nice. It's good to be back. For those of you that don't know what a chopped cheese sandwich is, it's basically just a cheeseburger, but like mushed up. I don't know why it tastes so much better, but it does. Okay, the appetizer is done. Now for the main course. Uh-oh. Now for the main course. The best part about this campsite is that I have service here. Apple.
Long story, you know, is not, haven't said now in Casey, and I point to Alan Lazard. It's time for Liz has been talking him up.
I love camping. Guys, I think I'm starting to have an idea. Like a better idea. 1 second. Let me see if this will work before I freak out about it. Maybe. That's pretty shaky. I don't know about this side though. So what my plan is, I actually found an old hammock of mine. Wise Owl hammock. Wow, okay. Oh my God. Oh. This might be the most expensive campground I've ever been at, but damn, is it not perfect. Yes! Yeah. No. I think I'm gonna say it because no one else is gonna say it, but I might actually be a bona fide camping genius. Actually, does that even work? Is that more comfortable? Let me try that out. Yep. I'm a genius. Oh yeah. Oh, that is sweet. This might be better than my bed. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked that, whatever this was. It's time to get back to, or start cleaning and moving out of my apartment. So, love ya. Bye.